Welcome to Sun-Mar's YouTube channel, where we talk about all things composting toilet. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Now let's get to today's video. Hi, it's Ray from Sun-Mar, and today I'll be talking with you about the CENTREX 2000 NE, one of Sun-Mar's most popular central composting systems. The CENTREX 2000 NE is a non-electric system, which means it's perfect for use in off-grid, solar, generator, or battery-powered applications. The CENTREX 2000 NE can be used full-time in a home, or if you're just spending time with the family at the cottage. One of the greatest benefits of using a central composting system is that you can separate the composting unit from the toilet. This particular system can be used with multiple ultra-low flush toilets, which can all be set up to 15 feet away from the composting system. Or if you don't have access to water, you can also use it with a dry waterless toilet. For more information on both toilets, please check out our links in the description below. Like all Sun-Mar composting systems, the CENTREX 2000 NE also features our 3-chamber technology, mainly our patented biodrum. Inside this composting unit is a drum, similar to a clothes dryer or a cement mixer. Our objective is to feed the system with oxygen so that we can get the bacteria active. It's sort of the opposite of an outhouse where you do get that smell and that mess. It's because the bacteria is very slow, very lazy. But we can activate the bacteria by thoroughly mixing and aerating the compost pile. Simply find the handle on the side and rotate it clockwise like this. I just did 1 revolution. You would do approximately 6 full revolutions about every 2 or 3 days. Yeah, it's that simple. The only thing you're adding on a regular basis is our bulky material. Compost Sure. Typically, you'd add about 1 cup per person based on bowel movement. Or if you pee, you let it be, and if you poop, you add a scoop. Finally, when you're ready to empty some finished compost, simply unlock the drum by pulling on this button here. That'll allow you to reverse rotate the drum counterclockwise, which will then drop a batch from the drum into the drawer. Pull out the finishing drawer and use that on grass, trees, flowers, and plants. It's that easy. The most important thing to remember is use it like a regular toilet. Solid waste, liquid waste, even toilet paper. Sun-Mar has a lineup of composting systems to fit your specific needs. If you have any additional questions about the CENTREX 2000 NE or about any one of our other models, please contact us at 1-888-341-0782 or visit us at www.sun-mar.com. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe. Feel free to share and follow us for more videos. See you next time.